Question 2, which equation is equivalent to the given equation? So if you look back on slide 18 of your tutorial, you'll recognize that this is a complete the square problem. Specifically, the way we recognize that is this form right here. Just notice how, I'm not saying that's the correct answer, but notice how all of these answer choices are in this form right here. X plus some number squared equals some other number. So that means the process for this problem is we need to convert the original problem, x squared minus 10x equals 14, to the more condensed form we see in our answer choices. That's obviously one way to solve this problem, and that's the way I'm going to tackle. So the first step in completing the square is we need the problem to be in ax squared plus bx equals c form. We're all set there. We're already in that format. The second step, we need to take b divided by 2, square it, and then add it to both sides of the equation. All right, so let's get to it. So our b in this problem is the coefficient of the x term. So our b in this problem is negative 10. So we're going to take negative 10. Let me just rewrite it. B divided by 2 squared in this problem. Our b is negative 10, so we're going to replace that b with negative 10. Negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5. Make sure you have those parentheses if you do this in the calculator, and we get 25. So we figured out what b divided by 2 squared is, and now we need to add it to both sides of the equal sign. So let me choose a different color. I'm going to rewrite the original problem, x squared minus 10x equals 14, but I'm going to save space so I can add this number to both sides of the equal sign. 14 plus 25, that is 39. You can probably already see what our correct answer is at this point. But now we need to recognize that x squared minus 10x plus 25, that can be factored. X times x is x squared, so x and x go in the first two blanks. What two numbers multiply together to give us 25 and add together to give us negative 10? Well, it's negative 5 and negative 5. And that's the same thing multiplied by itself. So we're going to complete the square by squaring x minus 5 and setting it equal to 39.